message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Mahoning County, southeastern Portage County, eastern Stark County, until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:13 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Louisville to Minerva and moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Youngstown, Alliance, Sebring, Canfield, Boardman, Campbell, Leesville, Maple Ridge, Boyd, Craig Beach, Austintown, Poland, New Middletown, Struthers and Lowellville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Large hail, damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning kills. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Mahoning, Portage, and Stark. Urgent weather message.